Picture this: you select a product like wireless mouse from a drop-down menu, and Excel instantly shows you the total sales amount for that product. It's dynamic, it's powerful, and it's easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to do that with real data, step by step. Okay, let's jump right in. Here's the sample data we'll be working with. As column A contains duplicates, first, we need to extract a list of unique product names. Click on cell E2. Type equals unique. Then select the range from column A that contains the product names. Close the parentheses and press Enter. Excel will now display only the distinct product names from the list. Let's create a drop-down in cell G2, so users can select any product. Click on cell G2. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Under Allow, select List. In the source box, select the distinct product list. And click OK. Now you have a drop-down with all available products. Next, we'll calculate the total sales for the selected product using the SUMIF function. In cell H2, enter the following formula. Here's how it works. A2 to A45 is the range containing product names. G2 is the cell with the selected product from the dropdown. D2 to D45 is the range of corresponding sales figures. This formula sums all sales from column D, where the product in column A matches the selected product in cell G2. Now, press Enter. Now, select any product from the drop-down in G2. And watch Excel instantly calculate the total sales in H2. Convert your data into a table with Ctrl T to make formulas dynamic and easier to manage, especially as you add more rows. If this helped you save time and work smarter in Excel, hit that like button, subscribe to Easy Click Learning, and let me know in the comments if you want more tricks like this. Thanks for watching.